Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. So SUI hasn't really moved much since the last update, but the price has reacted twice now to the micro support area and the support levels are unchanged. So I would like to leave them unchanged between $2.43 and $2.87. This is the orange micro support area, and this is the support area for a wave 4 of this wave degree. Quick reminder, the idea is that a wave 4 bottomed in October. It was here around $1.60. We've seen a 1-2 setup, a third wave. Ideally this would be the fourth wave, and then we get one more high in a wave 5, which completes an even larger degree third wave, then another 4 and another 5. So we are not done yet with the rally, at least not based on what I see in the charts. The problem is that obviously, okay, we have reacted to support, that's fine. Doesn't mean we are breaking out yet in that fifth wave to the upside. We could do, but if we do, then the wave 4, here, it would sit here, right? But it's a bit weak. It's a bit weak compared to that wave 2. So in duration especially, very short. So I would actually prefer a wider wave 4, I would prefer a wider wave 4, or, and that is probably what I would go with if we continue to climb higher. I mean, essentially, as I always say, the wave counts don't matter so much. They might give us a bit of an edge, especially on this wave degree. However, what is more important are the levels. So the levels are more important, which means should we test support again, it could be another opportunity. If we already reacted to support twice, so it is possible we're going higher, but then I would have to probably change the wave degree of it because this is so weak and it doesn't really look like this wave 4 matches this wave 2. So I might change it slightly and then say this was a wave 1, this was a wave 2, this was a wave 3, not this. This was a wave 3, this was an internal fourth wave, this swing low on Tuesday. And the fifth wave is still unfolding, which means the third, wave 5 of 3 is still extending. And this larger fourth wave is still outstanding. It will just happen a little later. That's a win-win because it would mean that, there would be another setup similar to it, at least based on what we can see. And anybody who already used the support area, and that's what they are there for, I mean, okay, if you use it or not is up to you, but I mean, I tell you the levels that ideally should hold if this interpretation is correct, right? So anybody who already entered, looked for an entry, would already be in profit, and all you have to do is to manage risk. So the main takeaway is I would actually prefer that larger wave 4. Whether that's happening now or a little later, that chart will tell. I can tell you that the rally from the low is so far in 3 waves, so it really looks like a high B wave. Definitely, if this is a B, then the bears need to turn up now. The bears need to turn up now, but I would not rule out one more extension because this structure here looks a little bit strange. The way it's labeled now is a small 1-2, a third, which is not the longest, which is rare, a 4, and then extended fifth. I mean, it's possible, but that makes it also easily possible to say this here is a longer wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think both are reasonable interpretations, and we don't know yet. Does it matter? Not really, because the support area was what matters. And as long as we're holding the 243 level, I would focus on higher prices. That means we're now away from support, risk is high. If we get back into support, risk is low. And the next upside levels are 352 and 424. There are a couple of levels actually overlapping, which could act as an additional resistance level. So that's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Earlier today, I uploaded a render video specifically to our Twitter account or X profile. Make sure that you check it out if you're interested in additional updates. Some of these are not actually published on YouTube. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.